Welcome to Owen Allen Media. I'm Melanie here at Owen Allen Media. Popcaan and Chronc lost supports PNP, and Beenie Man got ignored by the crowd for trying to diss Vybz Kartel. You would have to see it for yourself. Alright, so Popcaan and Chronc Law recently performed at PNP Member of Parliament Danishka Williams' campaign. However, the performance took an unexpected turn when Chronc Law made a questionable move, issuing an SYM in front of PNP leader and future Prime Minister Mark Golding.
Popcaan, big up yourself. Who can this my dog and survive? Make dark out, you black no rise. Babylon empty so we go fuck your mother telling me we don't polite. A 15 and remember God no man.
Hold on, we apologize for that.
You
It's an apologize moment. Yeah. Big up Chronc Law. Are we there man rule? That's how we done. Are the native? Where you go?
Popcaan later apologized on Chronc Law's behalf, showcasing maturity and good judgment. Unfortunately, this was a poor decision on Chronc Law's part, but Popcaan's response was a solid move. Beenie Man debuted a new track aimed at dissing Vybz Kartel with Boom Boom on stage. However, the crowd's reaction was far from supportive. They made it clear Beenie is not the man of the moment. Watching the crowd ignore him was painful and embarrassing to witness.
Me shame and me. Check out the performance.
Thank you, Owen.
Wham! We just come from fine. Wham! Wham! Yeah.
So that's how we use it. We don't talk to them. Then chat to me. Around to them, man. Oh, okay. Yeah. But me not hypocrite, so me not in a hypocrisy. Laba, tika plona, chatty, Mouta Massi. Chatty, now me pass it like a tip and me pass it. Me not hypocrite, so me not in a hypocrisy. Laba, tika now me pass it like a tip and me pass it. Me chatty, everywhere me gonna get it. Me take it to the captain, and me have to make it drop it. Me have to drop it, me don't want no discretion. You know real, I don't feel like there is a drop it. Time swing, never me say what you're saying, and I be run smooth.
Thank you for watching Owen Allen Media. We keep you informed.